Hello everyone, this is Satya Prakash. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the part 18 of GitHub tutorial. In this part 18, what is the topic is understand real-time scenario about Git branches relationship. So I'll suggest you before going through this part 18, please visit my part 17 of GitHub tutorial, that is create and push the Git branch from local Git repo to GitHub. So let's start. So in this part 18, what we learn in this part 18 is understand one scenario about Git branches relationship and important Git commands for managing Git branch. So first thing is I already have created that is one repo, second repo, and part 17 I described how to push and create the new branch, that is the testing one, from local Git to GitHub repo and the related files with some changes, modifications in details.cs, and it can be shown here whatever new branches will be created in using our Git Bash. So in this part 18, first we'll learn about that is the steps to create a new branch in local Git repo under testing branch. So earlier we already have created one new branch called testing. Now under testing branch we will create another new branch. So to make new branch under testing branch, we need to point our local Git repo to current working branch called testing branch. So that means the new branch called pre-prod will contain same changes as they are under testing branch instead of main branch. So to create new branch pre-prod, we'll type one command here, that is the pre-prod, git branch pre-prod, and after then click enter. So successfully my pre-prod new branch is created. Now we check the list of branches. So git branch command I'll type here. So we can see that it is showing three branches: pre-prod, testing, and main branch. Now the active branch is testing in our local Git repo. So that means the new branch called pre-prod will contain the same changes as they are in under testing branch instead of main branch, right? So whatever changes you can see here under testing branch, that is the file name, and whatever the modification has done in details.cs, the same changes and same files will be available in the pre-prod branch also. Okay, so let's understand one real-time scenario. So but here I want to create one scenario that I create a development branch, and through development branch we connect to pre-prod branch. For this we create a development branch using command. So the command is git checkout -b, and the branch name is development. So what is the command is git checkout -b development. Okay, so using this single command we can create the new branch as well as current working branch. So I'll enter here. Now we can see that the new branch successfully switched to our new branch, that is development branch. So earlier it was testing branch, now it is development branch. So using single command it is possible. So before what we did earlier, that using a new branch we type the command called git branch name, and again git checkout command we will use to create use this branch as an active branch or a live branch. So but using this single command git checkout -b development, using this single command we can create the branch as well as we can make this branch as a active branch here. So in using this single command we can create as well as make this branch as a current working branch using this single command. So okay, now I'll check here the git branch command. Using git branch command we want to check whether this active branch is development or not. You can see here now our active or current working branch is development branch because the star symbol is showing on the left side of the development branch name. So here what I'll do, I'll rename the branch name from pre-prod to prod under development branch. So for that there is a command called Git Branch -m, and the old branch is pre-prod, and I want to modify it from pre-prod to only prod. So here I click enter. So now our branch successfully modified from pre-prod to prod. To check this, we type one command called git branch. Now we can see before that it is showing that pre-prod. So after using this command, pre-prod is modified to prod. So development is active branch, prod, and testing and main. So now if any changes will be made and push it, then the branch called prod will be pushed into my GitHub repository. Okay, now I'll go to my slide here. So important Git commands for managing Git branch. So Git branch is check the list of branches. Git branch _name, it will create a new branch. Git checkout branch name, switch branch as current working branch or active branch instead of default Git branch. Git push origin branch _name, so push the branch changes from local Git repo to GitHub repo. Git branch -m, old branch name and new branch name, it will rename the branch name. And git checkout -b branch _name. Using this single command we can create the new branch as well as current working branch. That means these two lines, it will create our new branch as well as current working branch or active branch, but using this single command it will take over these two different branches. That is, using single command we can create as well as current working branch here. So this is my YouTube channel. Subscribe and share it to get the up-to-date knowledge on .NET, .NET Core, Angular, SQL Server, GitHub and DevOps. So what we have learned today in this video, that is understand one real-time scenario about Git branches relationship and important Git commands for managing Git branch, and how to create and manage and make a current working branch using a single command, and how to modify the branch name from one name to another. So that's all. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.